Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It is Sunday and are you done yet?
Yes, I am done.
Okay. We're getting some yard work done. We had a sudden death in the family. Honey, do you want to tell them? It's standing right behind you. Our microwave died, y'all. Okay. Sudden death, our microwave. It ain't turning on. And for that, we are sad. So we're gonna have to go get a new one today, which is truly a bummer. I did want to get some new chairs for the porch because we're doing some, what's that called? Like landscaping? No, we're not really doing landscaping. That seems a little too legit. We're just pulling some weeds and pulling a bush out because it'll be looking ugly. Ivy went over to Gabe's house. Viola is here and alive. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Oh dear. Malachi's here so he can watch Viola while we go to the store. Well, I'm gonna lay her down. We're not gonna go till she lays down. Sean mowed the yard this morning. I went to church. I'll insert the clip of the kids. I took Ivy and Gabe with me, so I'll insert the clip of them after church playing at the playground there. They had fun. That was pretty nice. Church was good. Okay. Guys, it is hot out.
Oh, honey, those trees are already drying out.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, we just got Viola to bed, and now we're headed to this grocery store. Manny woke up from his nap, and we're headed to everywhere. Aldi's, Lowe's, Walmart, you name it, we're going there. I want to try to find that chair. I bet our Aldi's doesn't have it. I bet. I found this really cute chair, but we got the new microwave installed. Chay's here. Will's here. And now Steve is hopefully gonna pull out this bush.
She wants to get back in.
Steve's backing his truck up. This is gonna be wild, y'all. I gotta take a before shot real quick. Whatever you do, is don't go to the neighbor's house. Right? I don't know, I feel like they'll be offended if we go through their house.
Manny got a hold of it. Yeah, Manny got a hold of these.
I was like, I brought all this stuff to put in here. You found a popsicle stick in the yard, and that's what you want to put in? The real stick? She says, no, I want that. It helps steer and sleep.
Are you recording?
Yes.
See my shadow?
What does that mean?
Poor girl.
What does that mean?
He's gonna yank her. Oh no, he's not. He's checking it.
Yeah.
Oh, is that what it was?
My shorts. Wow. Look at that. These are out. Oh. Look at that.
Okay guys, Sean's going at it. I did all up there. And then I might go start over there. I want to move one of either the daylilies from the back or one of the ferns from over there into where that tree was. Okay guys, I just quickly wanted to show what all we got done. We started weeding the beds. We got a little bit more to do today still. This is just the next day I'm filming this. We got the chairs up there and the mailbox hung. And then this is our new microwave we got. Nothing fancy, just a Whirlpool. But yes, very nice. Thank you to Steve for helping us hang it. It's now about 11 o'clock at night and I'm ending the vlog finally. I almost forgot, but I was like, I'm just gonna hurry up and do it. I put some self-tanner on if you can't tell. Okay, we'll see how that turns out in the morning. Anyways, ending the vlog, we got a lot of the weeding done and the beds out front, but we want to do more, but we're going to do it tomorrow because it was getting late and we were just like tired, exhausted. I was in pain. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, you know, and come back. Well, I don't know if it'll be, I don't know, we'll see. I'm vlogging Memorial Day too because we're having a big party, so that should be exciting as well. So come back for that. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.